Welcome to this short video on the new ASI SmartBooks version 3.7.2. This video will cover some of the new enhancements. For a complete listing of all update changes, please review the Update Bulletin. The first enhancement to review will be the matrix printing on forms. The matrix quantity columns are now centered. We'll go into ASI SmartBooks. We will open up an order. We have previously displayed the internal copy of our order, and now you'll notice that the quantities are now centered underneath the top attribute. We'll go ahead and close this, and then on to the next enhancement. For the next enhancement, we're going to go to our orders list. On the right-hand side, under the List View option, we have removed the areas where the user saw and could add or remove optional columns. You would now use the right-click option on the list headers. So we open this up, and the area referred to is in the middle of the screen where we used to be able to add and remove columns. We'll close this. To add and remove columns, we should go to our header area, right-click, and the very bottom option is Add Remove Columns. And also, part of this enhancement will be the Apply Changes. When the Add Remove Column pop-up is open, all existing columns will show with a black checkbox. When an existing checkbox is unchecked, it will show as a red X. We'll display that by unchecking one of these, and now you see the red X. This will show that during the Apply Changes, the column will be removed from your list view. If a new optional column is checked, it will show as a green check mark. No columns will be added or removed until the user clicks Apply Changes at the top of the screen. So if we add a column, you notice the green check mark. Now there will be no waiting for each column to be added before continuing the Add Remove Column option. If we go to Apply Changes, now you can see our new column has been added. We'll close this option. The next new enhancement to review will be the booked and sales list that added an optional column for the main customer. We're going to start by reviewing a customer resource. So go to our Customer Manager. We're going to take a look at C&S Car Company. Now underneath our Other Expander, we'll see our main customer code is 9955 for C&S Car Company. Now we'll go take a look at the sales list. Under our list views, we're going to select Sales. We'll see our orders for C&S Car Company. And now we'll go into Add Remove Columns. Under Add Remove Columns, we're going to select Code, which is the main customer code if one exists. If a main customer code does not exist, it will use the customer code automatically. We'll check that one. Also, if you wish, a little further on the list as a main customer code. This checkbox will only show the main code. If there is no main code, then this field will be blank. Back at our sales list, we'll see our list of orders. The code column shows the main customer code. As you can see, C&S Car Company Their code is 9960. The main customer code is 9955. And our second column we added for the main code will only show the main code. We'll close these two windows. Our next option to review will be the salesperson's booked and sales list. If we open up our sales list again, we will add a column by salesperson. Now we'll go over and create our grouping and move this up to be grouped by salesperson. The salesperson's booked and sales list are grouped by salesperson, broken down by salesperson cost percent split. We'll close this option. The next new enhancement to review will be unique code validation for customers and vendors. We're going to go in to add a new customer resource. When creating a customer or vendor, the system will check immediately to see that a code has already been used and give a validation if it has. This will help alert the user that the record they are attempting to enter is already in the system. So if we type in an existing number, you notice we still have a validation. And there's our note. Customer number must be unique. So we will put in a unique number. And that validation will be removed. We'll go ahead and close this. The final new enhancement to review will be the Pay Vendor by Due Date option. So go into our Vendor tab of the ribbon menu. We'll select Pay. We'll go down and select our vendor. You now will see a new checkbox, Pay Vendor by Due Date. When you select your checkbox, today's date will automatically come in. This may be changed if needed. And then you select Update. Once you select Update, it'll automatically select the invoices that meet that criteria. We'll process to finish. And this will complete this video on the new ASI SmartBooks version 3.7.2.